No, your eyes do not deceive you. It is me, Jennifer Evans, and I am back. Some of you may not have noticed that I have been gone, but I have been for several months. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Jen, and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from the super popular Stitch Fix to ones that people haven't heard of before or are less common. I love to try new boxes, and I love getting clothes, so please stick around. And for return viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I know I've been gone for a while, so I will explain that all and talk some clothes, because that's all the topic that we love, is clothing. So let's settle in. Where have I been? So guys, like I said, it's been a few months since I posted a video, and I have sort of disappeared from the face of YouTube. I haven't really been watching any videos or commenting or anything. What happened was I got busy. So I got busy at work. I was stressed out, and so instead of getting up early to film videos, I was getting up early to go to work. Along the same time, my husband and I decided to become a band, and we've actually been recording an album. So we're hoping in the next month or so, maybe month and a half, we're actually going to have an album to release. We'll release a couple singles ahead of time and then release a whole album. And it's been a blast, but it's been very time consuming because we are writing our own songs and working on them, and then working in the studio, because we're actually going to the studio to record these. We want very professional sounding songs, and so we're trying to do this right. So it has taken up a lot of my time, and my YouTube channel just kind of suffered. It just kind of disappeared for me for a little while. And truthfully, I wasn't actually planning on coming back until we were done recording and releasing our album, and I had time freed up for it. But I went to the Fab 5 fashion meetup last weekend, which actually today's Monday that I'm filming this, so it was actually just 2 days ago. It was amazing. The Fab 5 and then all the other ladies that are there are just absolutely fantastic. Such amazing women. They are so helpful, they are supportive, they are so sweet. I can't say enough things about these women. So incredibly sweet, wonderful. They have great hearts, and there was just this beautiful community to it, and you could see how much their channel means to them and how much the community around the channel means to them. And I missed it. I missed being part of that. Like, I really just pulled myself back from it, and I missed being part of that. And also, I feel like I didn't fully utilize the community in the way I could have. I'm horrible, absolutely horrible at correspondence, emails, text, responding to YouTube comments. I'm just the worst. I'm not that way on purpose. Really, I am a numbers person, math major in college, numbers nerd person. Words don't actually come as easy to me, which is surprising because I've got a YouTube channel and I talk on it, but words actually don't come as easy to me. And so often I kind of struggle with what to say, and I end up kind of procrastinating on it, and I'm terrible at correspondence. So all that to say, I want to be more part of the YouTube community. I want to be more active on my channel going forward. I want to get to know you guys. I want you guys to get to know me. I'm also not great at talking about myself. Most of my videos have been kind of down to business, which probably appeals to a certain population, and some people probably want to get to know you a little bit more. I like to talk about myself maybe just a little bit more, maybe not a lot. I don't think I'm going to start posting videos that are twice as long, but just try to open up a little bit more, because I just, I enjoy that when I see that in other people's videos, like what's going on in their life, and I like hearing about all that. So I'm going to try to share a little bit more of myself going forward. So let's see, is there anything left to say about the band? Oh, just to give you guys some information on the band, because it's like, what is this 36-year-old woman doing, starting a band with her husband? I play bass and backing vocals or harmony vocals, and my husband does lead guitar and the lead vocals, and then we have a drummer, and we're just a little three-piece band. And the style of it is actually kind of a I guess punkabilly, which is actually a little bit of punk and a little bit of country. So we're kind of a cool little mix of different genres, but we really, you know, enjoy what we're making here. So that's been a lot of fun. I never thought I'd be in I've always been a musical person, but I grew up on, like, you know, oldies and musicals and stuff like that. So this is like different than anything I thought I would be in, but I'm loving it. It's so much fun. So, okay, enough of that stuff. Let's talk some clothes. So I didn't get a lot of boxes over the past few months because without videos, you know, that kind of lost a little bit of the motivation. And then also, you know, it costs money to record an album. So kind of, you know, redirecting some of the money that I would put into the boxes. And so I didn't get a lot, but I thought it would just be fun, since I don't really have any boxes here right now to unbox, to just go through a few of my favorite pieces that I've gotten over the past few months. They're nothing, you know, earth-shattering or spectacular or anything like that, but they're just kind of my favorites that I've gotten so far. And I'll even put them on, just to, you know, do it in the whole unboxing style. And so let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, in no particular order, I just have a pile of stuff here that I grabbed last night. We have this lace dress, kind of like a cocktail lace dress, and I got it off of the Stitch Fix board on Facebook, where people can, you know, buy and sell each other's stuff. It came with tags on, but I got a great discount on it, and so I had to take that up. And I love this color of blue, just absolutely love it. Have not worn it yet, but I will one of these days, and I'm gonna hopefully feel good in that. Another is a pair of shorts. I've been digging the light wash here recently, and these I actually kind of sized up in, because sometimes jean shorts can be really tight and they ride up and you're just kind of uncomfortable and you can't breathe. I just wanted like a looser pair, not too short, not too long, and I absolutely love these. And these are actually time and true, so I got these at Walmart. I actually have a couple Walmarts in here. So what's up, Walmart? Nice job. So shorts. Okay, along the same lines, again Walmart, and again, oh no, this is No Boundaries. Just a light wash skinny jean. It's super comfortable. It's super stretchy, has 3 buttons on the front, which is a nice detail. I enjoy that, and is a good length on me, and no distressing. And I really like these, so really happy with these. Next item is from The Loft. Now, The Loft is really an online store I've been discovering because people have recommended it, or I've seen other people's videos, and they have extra small, and they have petites, and that's been awesome. And then they have certain sales where you can get like 40% off and things like that. So I've been taking advantage of that. And so this is just a white sweater, but has kind of a flower pattern in it. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's almost like a burnout, but it's a sweater, and it's not super see-through by any means. It's not see-through, though it is. I mean, it's not like a thick sweater. Here you can see kind of one layer here, but I just think it's really pretty. So big fan of that. Now, this was, I believe this was Kohl's. Yes. This was Kohl's. It was on clearance. It was like $5. I love this whole lace overlay style. Absolutely love it. I have several tops like this. I liked this one because it's kind of like end of summer, early fall type tank that I could wear. It's also a little bit more bra friendly than some of the ones that I have like this, because those tend to come up, you know, closer to the collar. This one's pretty bra friendly, so I enjoy that. Love bra friendly things. So love this, love the kind of the fallish color to it. So this one, this top I just got. This is from thredUP. This is the White House Black Market top, and it is a peplum top. And I love a peplum top if it is a nice fitted one. I'm very particular. I don't like ones that are looser and then you just got this weird extra fabric peplum. I like it when it like gives you like a waist, a nice waist physique. So really like this, was really great quality. Happy with that. And then the last piece I felt like calling out was cardigan from Bad Habit Boutique. Really love this teal color, and hopefully the color comes through correctly on the camera. But they've got their boyfriend cardigans, and I have about like 1,000 of these now because they're affordable. They tend to be kind of, sometimes if they're on sale, they're less than 20, sometimes they're a little bit more than 20, but they're a great deal. They're great thickness. They feel like great quality, and they're so cheap. The brand is Cielo. And like I said, I've got several of these. I've got some longer ones, I've got some shorter ones, and I just love these. And this one, I've really been enjoying this color, and I've been really happy with this one. So that's just a preview of some of my favorite stuff that I've gotten. I'll put these clothes on so you guys can get a better look at them. Alrighty, friends. So first up, I have the dress. Like I said, I really love the lace on it, and it's snug, but like good snug, not too snug. Feel like I could eat a couple cheeseburgers and not have too much pooching on here. And I think it's just a great night out type dress. I really love the blue a lot. I just think it's a really nice color. Hopefully it looks okay on me. On everything, I'd love to hear you guys' opinions as usual, even though it's not a matter of keep or not keep, because I'm already keeping this stuff. All right, let's go to the next outfit. Next up, we have the shorts and sweater. The sweater is such an amazing fit. It just feels really great. I like having a white type sweater because I honestly, being in Indiana and somebody who's just cold all the time, I actually like having some summer type sweaters because I'm in AC a lot, or even when the nights get a little bit too cool for me, it's nice to have a nice summer sweater. So I really like this for that. The shorts, like I said, they're very comfortable. They fit well. They aren't too short or too long, and I like the light wash on it. I like the cutoff, and they're the ones with the seams on them, which means they're not going to continue to unravel, which I really appreciate that. So, and of course, obviously, since they're Walmart, they were quite affordable, which I love affordable. All right, let's do the next outfit. Okay, next up we have the Walmart jeans. Again, they have so much, I keep saying again, I guess maybe I talked about these a little bit too much in the beginning, and I feel like I'm repetitive, but sorry. Okay, so yeah, they have lots of stretch to them, a lot of stretch. They're really comfortable. I think they actually say mid-waist, but they go pretty close to my belly button, and I feel nice and secure in these. I like the 3-button detail, and I like the light wash, so I just really think these are cute. There's a 360 for you. And then the tank, I love, again, try to stop saying again so much. I love the fall color to it. I love the lace overlay. Like I said, this one's more bra friendly. I do have to be a little bit conscious of my straps, but I am a big fan of this, and it's funny that I've just grown to really love like these little mock necks on these type of tops. So, all right, next outfit. Okay, well, these jeans are not what I would wear with this White House Black Market top. I did not feel like changing my pants. So, the cardigan, it's a perfect fit. You guys know, if you've watched any of my videos, how much I put on. That ends up just being so huge, and my arms are like this, and I look like a little girl dressing up in my mom's clothes. And so when I literally buy probably every cardigan that I find that actually just fits well. That's my only requirement. I don't care what the color is. I don't care what it looks like. I just want it to fit. That's all. So, love this cardigan. I do love the color of it, and again, I love the fit of it. Now, the White House Black Market, like I said, with the peplum type, I do like that, the kind that gives you some shape, a feminine shape, a little cinched waist here. I have one other shirt that I think I got in one of my Style Starter boxes that has polka dots, and that's what I just decided I love this style. I just think it's a very pretty feminine style, and it's just really great quality. So really happy with this top. And all right, that's all the clothes to try on. I think this, I have worn this 0 times. I bought this 5 for $5 for a Stitch Fix. I mean, that's the only reason why I bought it, and it sat on this mannequin for months and months and months. It's probably incredibly dusty now. So, does anybody want to buy this? It's an extra small. You know, maybe you want to buy this from me. Anyways, all right, let's do a quick wrap up now. All right, guys, well, it feels really good to be back in the swing of things. I may not be posting as frequently as I was before. I think before I was shooting for like every other day. That I might be just 1 to 2 times a week here while we're still working on the album. Hopefully that's okay. I'm still trying to stay present. And if you guys have any questions that you have for me to get to know me a little bit better, then put them in the comments below. I really, really appreciate you guys' support. I didn't say this before and I'm kicking myself, but I did want to say thank you to everybody who reached out to me via email or comment on my channel. I really appreciate you guys checking in with me and making sure I was okay and still alive. I am. So just really appreciate that support, and it feels nice that, you know, people noticed or missed me or whatever. Maybe that's assuming too much, but I really appreciated it. So that's all I've got to say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't a regular unboxing video, but the next one will be, and all the other ones, because that's what I do. So if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe below. If you like this video, do me a huge favor and please give me a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.